Here we are at INSTAGC. Today we're going to show you how to do videos and earn some extra money. Come up here to where it says Earn, watch videos, playlist 1, playlist 2, 3, 7. Click on Show below number playlist 1. Now after you do that, come up here and hit the Restore Down button. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 windows going on watching videos. Now we'll go back up to here. And that's how you make some extra money on INSTAGC watching videos. This is video part 1. There are more videos coming about more videos to watch on INSTAGC.